जी माधवी जी.
Thank you, Madam. Ma'am, in the Andhra Pradesh state, for MGNRAs, pending dues have not been released. Madam, a part of this, the state government had requesting for enhancement of wage employment from 100 days to 150 days. In this regard, through you, Madam, I requesting for the early release of the pending amount 3,707.77 crores, and also increase the employment under MG NRGA from 100 days to 150 days, Madam. Thank you. Similarly, power cost reimbursement increases 1.5 rupees per unit. Speaker sir, a part of that, 25% seed capture assistance will be provided missionary for the first generation entrepreneurs established micros units. In the industrial park in AP, 6.2% plot would be reserved for the SCs and XCs and 6% for STs. The SC and ST entrepreneurs need to pay only 25% of the land cost and balance payment could be done over 8 years with 8% interest after the start of commercial products. Sir, a dedicated SC and ST entrepreneurs sorry, sir. SC and ST entrepreneurs facilitation shall be set up in the all industrial centers for hand-holding support of entrepreneurship. Development programs will be taken upon the providing necessary capabilities and skills. The government will take up the capacity building, skill development training programs, sectorial studies for the future-ready investable opportunities, and identification of various marketing opportunities in the respective sector for the ST and ST entrepreneurs, sir. As a result, all such strengthening efforts taken on the state government of Andhra Pradesh, I am happy to inform the House that, sir, last line, sir, thus, the state government has been 11% reduction of the number of cases registered under the section 302 in the state within the respect of SC, along the 17% of reduction under the section of 376 and 46% of reduction under the section 435 and 436 in the IPC. Sir,